Alright, what's going on YouTube? So today we're going to be working on my buddy's ST. We're going to be changing out the fog lights. His broke, I guess, going down the highway, a rock or something hit it. So yeah, I'm going to take you guys into the auto hobby shop real quick, and we're going to show you guys how to install these fog lights. But first, let's take a look at my beauty. Can't see, but I got an aftermarket Mishimoto J-Line intercooler. Plastic dip my wheels white. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Alright, so let's take a walk into the auto hobby shop. Alright, so they just pulled the first headlight out. Gonna be putting in these fog lights.
Battery, and I guess a lot of kits are set up that way. Just wiring a battery. I don't know about that.
They're disconnecting the second headlight now. Boom. So now what, you guys gonna take the bumper off, right?
Yep. So we're gonna lift it.
Alright, so the next step you're gonna do after you have both of the headlights out, you're gonna remove this skid plate right here.
This comes off too, right? This thing?
Yeah.
Looks like
those
okay.
three.
Yeah.
You know how many total screws it is?
14 screws.
No, I believe it's 12.
Man, you look good.
Good?
Yeah, show me one more.
Okay. Well, there's really not much to this thing. I didn't realize that.
No, not at
You
all.
should actually even have to hold it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It is slipped in there.
Oh, is it?
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
There you go.
Right.
It goes in a sit on this spot. That spot there.
What part?
This whole thing
oh,
is
it's-
supported by
I
that spot
see.
and that spot.
Oh, is that right?
They sit right on here.
Oh, interesting. I didn't know that. Huh.
Alright, so now that skid plate is off, we're going to finish taking the bumper off.
So that's 10 for the skid plate.
10 bolts for a skid plate?
Yep. There you go, you can see my traction bar and my motor mount.
Yep.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. Huh.
You were in that torch tube.
Yeah.
Alright. Focus.
Oh, really? It's really good. Oh, no, we're talking about this. What's up with this?
Alright, so right now, like I said, they are still in the process of removing the bumper, and now I'm going to show you the fog lights that Lee had bought from CJ Pony Parts. They are diode dynamic LED fog lights. Let's go take a look at those. You can see the LEDs in there. with a couple screws, some plug-ins for direct plug and play from CJ Pony Parts, and
Really in there.
from Dio Dynamics. Really curious to see how these LEDs are going to look at night. So if you like what you've seen so far, give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Taking the bumper off. Right now, what they're trying to do is they're trying to get the old stock factory fog lights out right now to get the new ones in. Alright, so while they're in there trying to figure out how to get the fog light put in, I want to tell you guys a little bit more about my car. Alright, so it's a 2016. I have the MBRP XP Series catback exhaust on it. It has the Roush cold air intake. Has a cob access port. I'm running E85. I'm running the E30 mix, so I'm running 3.3 gallons of E85. You guys can still hear me. I'm running an E85 tune, which is comprised of E30, 3.3 gallons of E85 ethanol, and then the rest with 93 octane. And that's tuned by JSC Performance, Brian Tyson out of Dublin, Georgia. He's done a really great job with that so far. I really love the numbers. And in the future, actually this month, I'm ordering my either depot racing downpipe, me and Lee together. We always do group buys together, or we're gonna get the MBRP high flow cat downpipe. So leave a comment down below which one you think we should get. And then in the future also, probably at the end of this month or maybe beginning of next month, I am going to get the red Rally Armor mud flaps. I think it'll make the car look really awesome. So tell me what you guys think about my car so far. Leave some comments. I'd love to hear what you guys have to say about it. Ta-da! Turn it this way a little bit. Yeah, I don't think that one works anymore.
Oh, it still works.
Like I said before,
So, in order to remove the fog light, you have to remove this plastic bezel piece that sits in right here.
that'll just slide it in.
Was it just a bunch of clips, right?
Yeah.
All these clips. Garbage? Not garbage. Garbage? Not garbage. Shout out to you, TJ Hunt. So I forgot to mention, Lee also has a photography Instagram page. You guys need to go follow. I'm going to put the link to the Instagram page right here.
So for those of you who want to change out your fog lights, these plastic bezels are probably going to be the worst bit. It's all clipped in, and it seems to be a clip on top of a clip, where as soon as it goes in, there's another plastic piece that'll actually force it down. So the only way to do it is to provide enough pressure. This first one here seemed to be the easiest one. As soon as you pop it in, it'll kind of pop out. The rest of them are really tough, and you're probably going to need a friend to help out to kind of finesse them out of those. Oh. Yeah, you're good.
How much did that cost?
These?
Yeah.
Set was $145.
See, and I think we're probably gonna have to take up some of this line here, because I don't think that's gonna fit the way it is. So I think we're probably gonna have to peel some of this. Oh, or just push this back. Yeah, just push back.
So we're just basing this off what you think it is right now?
Yes, correct. I'm pretty sure, based off of standards and things, but yeah.
These standards you're not quite aware of or sure of.
Well, no, I mean, so it's, I know that in a lot of electrical study, you know, most manufacturers and things will commit to red being power and then black being ground. So it's, I'm not necessarily just pulling stuff from nowhere. I'm
Green is ground. Black is negative.
Wait, what?
Green is ground. He said black was ground.
Well, so in this instance, you got,
It's not ground, that's negative.
it's going to go to a ground. It's probably going to, I'm sure, if it doesn't go back to the batteries, it's going to, you know, probably tie off at the chassis somewhere. So I will submit, you are correct. Green is also known as ground, but
Yeah, but that's for house. That's like wiring.
Well,
for
I mean,
No, that's for electrical.
yeah, it's similar
general.
theory. So again, I pushed this thing back so I could actually sink these into their respective slots. Once that's in, it's really just a matter of putting the two together, and it just clicks, and you're done. So all I have to do is the other side. We'll do a quick little test run to make sure everything is good, and then you want to try?
Yeah, let me see how this thing works.
Yeah. Oh, was that the other one? Oh, they gave you two.
Yeah, for people like me, that probably screw it up.
Huh, interesting. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't explain the other parts. So these kind of click in. You'll look down. Don't connect to the other. You'll look down in there, and you see kind of similar plastic pieces that kind of go in, and they're supposed to allow those teeth. As soon as they fall in, they'll click in the.
I don't think they're using it.
No, we're not. You can use it.
Let me take a look at that.
Yep, they're both on.
Nailed it.
First try.
I know what you're talking about. I was educated and trained, so.
Stay in there, like no problem.
Ah, dang it did it again.
What's up? You got a flashlight in your kit?
Oh, yeah. Actually. Mike, do you want my camera back?
Okay. Hey, Tyler.
What's up?
Can you go through walking some camera bag? I don't want to touch it.
What are we looking for?
Oh, flashlight. Nope.
Holy crap, that's a completely different size.